new self-checkout system was deployed for the first time at the store. But everything went so smooth. I mean, the point of sale never went down. We did everything that as we planned. But in the middle of the day, the restaurant system went down, and then they're using but they couldn't reach out to their support people. So actually, our client came to us asking a technical support over. We were able to help a little bit because there were some technical issues, but at the same time, they had to wait more than a day to get their actual direct support from. So again, we helped them to fix those issues on that day, but it was not an RMH issue. My name is Tae Kang. I'm the co-founder and CEO of POS Unlimited. So Jagalchi is a part of our existing customer. Mega Mart is their new brand store. That was quite a challenging project. It's a huge grocery store opening in California, and this is the first time we have done self-checkout. We did it as a partnership work with one of our other RMH dealers, and we basically created a brand new self-checkout solution for Jagalchi, and their marketing team also worked with us to design the UIs, which the theme goes with their main marketing designs and colors, and what they are trying to show their customers at what theme and store images that should go with the point of sale system too. So it was a really good experience for us. It's a huge store, starting from planning of the marketing team, planning of the store design, and this store has luxury high-end restaurants inside of the store, and also they have another point of sale provider for their restaurants. We had to work together to make the whole solution to work, and we also had to develop a special customer management tool for them to provide a way for them to manage their customers in Jagalchi store in conjunction with their mother company, which is Mega Mart, with special needs for Jagalchi customers only, at the same time some common ground for entire Mega Mart customers group. So it was very, very challenging and long a project, which took us a year and a half to complete. But finally, the system went really smooth at the beginning of the opening, and we were really worried about it, but everything went smoothly. So I'm really happy about the outcome came out from this project. Because the size of the store, 19 point of sale running, and when you see the customers waiting, their customers waiting outside the store, it's overwhelming experience. Like, you see lines of the customer wrapped around the entire store. It is a huge building, used to be Target. And these people came into the store as soon as the door opened. And inside the store, I mean, you couldn't even stand. So many people were walking and trying to buy things. And I was so worried about our point of system not being able to handle that much of a volume. So we were very, very worried about it, because new self-checkout system was deployed for the first time at this store. But everything went so smooth. I mean, the point of sale never went down. We did everything that as we planned. But in the middle of the day, the restaurant system went down, and then they're using, but they couldn't reach out to their support people. So actually, our client came to us asking a technical support over the. Able to help a little bit because there were some technical issues, but at the same time, they had to wait more than a day to get their actual direct support from. Again, we helped them to fix those issues on that day, but it was not an RMH issue. It was a different, I mean, they're from the restaurant system. So we gained a lot of credit for it. Their owners of the company were really grateful for what we were there all the time and helping customers and even some checkout process and everything. So we got a lot of many thanks from them after the opening ceremony. If you want to learn more about RMH, there is a very useful information on rmhpos.com. That website is well maintained, and you'll be able to find all the information what RMH can offer and what other people also talk about. So please go to the website. Again, it's rmhpos.com.